Good morning. In this video, I will guide you how you can make your document series to auto or manual. For this, let's go to our settings module. In settings module, on your right hand side, you will see an option of document number format in basic option. Please click on this document number format. So this is a list of all the document number format which you have saved on TranZact. How you can make it on auto or manual. Here, you will see an option of auto or manual. Once I will click on this, it became manual. What exactly is the use of this? So auto or manual is used when you wish to keep the document number format according to your requirement. So suppose if there is one of the document number format, so suppose while creating PO you wish to mark it manually, you keep the document number format, you wish to enter it manually. So you need to keep it on manual. In auto, all the document number series which you have defined in your transact will come in your document. So this is how you can use it. I hope it helped you out. Have a good day.